Isa, yes, sariling variety show po yan. Please welcome on stage ang paggupo ng paggupo at pagaling na aking original singing partner, the pop heartthrob himself, Mark Bautista.
Thank you so much, G-Force, Jella, and Ben. Palakpakan po natin sila. Magandang gabi po. Honolulu, kumusta po kayo? Mga kapamilya? Ang kapuso rin ba dito? Enjoy na kayo dito. Meron din. Thank you so much. Ayan, oo. Ang tagal na namin din nakapunta dito, di ba? Last time was year 2009. Ang laki niya na. Parang dati, ang babata niyo pa. I'm sure pag babalik kami dito, itong mga bata to, itong dalawa, may asawa na rin yan. Sana makabalik ulit kami dito sa Honolulu. Palakpakan po natin si Sarah Geronimo na napakagaling. At lalong gumaganda rin ngayon. Palakpakan din natin si Mr. Louie Ocampo. Last show na namin to sa buong tour, so medyo malungkot. Yes. Ayun po, sobrang gustong-gusto ko pag nakakasama ko si Sarah sa isang I love you. Ang layo mo, ikaw yung mag-isa dyan. Gusto ko pong makasama si Sarah sa isang show, lalo na pag mga tour. Ito lang po yung time namin nag-bonding kami. Siguro by Monday, mag-bonding kami. Pagpunta kami sa beach. Basta no? Our friendship goes a long, long way. At wala po talaga akong masabi ni Sarah. Sa kanyang ugali, napaka-sweet, napaka-thoughtful, Masaya si Sarah ngayon, di ba? Masaya kami ngayon. Masaya ka ba? Anyway, pero totoo siya po ang tipo ng babaeng talagang nirespetuhin mo at igagalang mo. Siya po ang modern day Filipino woman. May nakita ko yung ilaw. Nakita ko yung ilaw na yan. Itaas mo yan. Ash rock. Meron ba itong ash shark? Ash shark. Ash shark sa beach. Yan na. Ash rock. Aswang, so yun. Parang yung OPM music and contemporary music natin from the Philippines, it is always evolving and growing. Our homegrown musicians with enormous world-class talent has time and again given audiences honest messages from the heart that can only come from Filipinos. I'd like to dedicate my next song. Ito po ay mga OPM songs na karaniwan natin naririnig sa mga video game. And this song is for everyone out there who continue to hold the values dear to our people kahit pa nga nasa ibang bansa na. We all love you. Thank you so much for coming. Para po sa inyo. Sometimes it's how I make a fresh air. Woman, I will love you always, and I promise I give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. That I love for always, forever to change. I want you close to me and hold you endlessly, to feel you, girl, in my arms, always. What is love without time? What is time without love? What's the highest mountain like without a valley nestled at its feet? What's a river without a bend to guide its flow to where it should end? What am I without you? What is life without love? Well, it's me with all the time. Time to think about love. Wow. Because we show no more will we cannot talk, and we will never say, ever say And now, friends, let's all welcome back, once again, the pop star princess, Miss Sarah Hill.